Hey, this is Alex from Cephable, and in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use the automatic profile switching feature within Cephable. This allows Cephable to change what control profile you're using automatically based on the apps that you're using in real time. Which means that if you change, for example, from the Cephable app to Microsoft Word, and you have a control profile for Microsoft Word, it'll automatically switch to it. So you don't have to go into Cephable and use the drop down and switch stuff all the time. So to get started, you'll need to create a profile that is an associated app so that it knows that Word should be associated with that profile. You can do that in a couple ways. You can either add a new profile and use the Cephable profile generator to add a new profile for an app. Whenever you enter the name of an app here, like Microsoft Word, and then go generate controls for it, Cephable will associate that app with the profiles that it creates. Also, you can take any existing profile and add automatic profile switching to it. For example, I have a whole bunch of existing Microsoft Word profiles. So if I go in here and go to Microsoft Word, I have a Microsoft Word for Mac profile down here. And in any profile, you can go to Options, View Advanced Options, and then scroll down and you'll see Associated Programs. When you click on Edit Associated Programs, this will show you the list of apps that are associated with this profile. So for example, I already have Microsoft Word associated here. But let's say I wanted to use this same profile for Word, and I wanted to use it for Outlook, and I wanted to use it for PowerPoint too. You can actually add a new associated program and then just start typing the name of the app. So for example, I said Outlook, and we'll see that that shows up as a filtered option. This is looking at the list of apps that you currently have installed to try to give you suggestions. You can technically type anything in there, even if you're editing it, for example, from the Cephable mobile companion app. But now with this profile, if I ever open up Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft Word, it'll switch to these controls for me. So I can go ahead and click save, go back, and then I need to turn on automatic profile switching. For me right now, it's temporarily off. For you, it might be permanently off. So there's two places you can edit it. From the homepage, if it's available for you, you can go ahead and turn it on. You can also turn it off entirely here, or you can temporarily turn it off, which will turn it back on when you open up Cephable again. You can also go to your output device from this link at the top. In this case, it's called My Mac. And there's also those options here for automatic profile switching. So if you don't see it on the homepage, be sure to check the device page to see how you can turn it on there. But now I have my automatic profile switching and I have Cephable app controls turned on right now. But if I go and open up Microsoft Word, we'll see basically Cephable switch those profiles for me. And you'll even get a notification in the bottom right as long as you don't have those muted. You can open it either using Cephable voice controls or you can just switch to that app manually. Start listening. Open Microsoft Word. Stop listening. So down in the bottom right, you can see that we saw the profile switch happen after it opened up Microsoft Word. And now I can go back over to Cephable and we see it switch right there. You might have missed it where it went from Microsoft Word back to my Cephable app controls. If I switch back over to Microsoft Word, it switches again. If you don't want it to continue to switch automatically, you can either turn it off or you can just select another profile manually and Cephable will automatically turn off profile switching temporarily. You can always go back and turn it back on, or whenever you start up Cephable again, it'll turn back on. That's all there is to it. Turn on your automatic profile switching in your settings, and then you can associate different profiles with apps and they'll automatically switch for you. Pretty cool. Be sure to check out our other tutorials on global controls, editing profiles, and so much more too.